This is Saugeen Times, and we are in Paisley, Ontario, still on Thursday, February the 22nd, 2018. And due to unseasonably warm temperatures and a lot of rain last week, the rivers have overflown their banks. We are standing, well, the road is closed, but we are standing where there is a street that runs through those trees to a trailer park and a ball diamond park where they have their fall fair. Where that steel girder is and those large trees is where the riverbank is. The trees are supposed to be on the riverbank. As you can see, the water is right up to the edge of the sidewalk. That is the Saugeen River, and she is a mighty river and is definitely on the move. And there are huge ice chunks coming downriver. Once again, this is Saugeen Times, and we are in Paisley, Ontario this afternoon under clear skies, sunshine, fairly warm temperatures, and definite flooded conditions.